Apple's biggest iPhone redesign in years could finally arrive in 2027. As the iPhone celebrates its 20th anniversary, reports suggest Apple is preparing a device unlike anything we've seen before. Instead of another routine upgrade, the company is rumored to introduce a futuristic iPhone with a seamless design, advanced AI hardware, and a completely new user experience. If these leaks are accurate, this could become Apple's most ambitious iPhone since the iPhone X. The first thing everyone will notice is the design. Apple is reportedly working on an iPhone that looks like a single piece of glass. The display could flow smoothly around all four edges, creating an almost borderless appearance. Rather than having a visible frame separating the screen from the body, everything may blend together into one elegant surface, giving the phone a premium and futuristic look. Another major change is expected on the front of the device. Apple is said to be developing under-display technology for both the selfie camera and Face ID sensors. If successful, the display would have no notch, no dynamic island, and no camera cutout. The result would be a completely uninterrupted screen that looks clean whether the display is on or off, bringing Apple closer to its long-term vision of a true all-screen iPhone.
The physical buttons may also disappear. Instead of traditional mechanical buttons, Apple could introduce solid-state controls powered by the Haptic engine. These buttons would simulate a real click through vibration while offering better durability because there are no moving parts. Apple is also rumored to be experimenting with speaker technology that produces sound through vibrations inside the phone itself, reducing the need for visible speaker holes. Photography could receive one of its biggest upgrades yet. According to recent rumors, the main camera may jump to an impressive 200-megapixel sensor. While higher megapixels don't always guarantee better photos, they can provide much sharper detail and allow users to crop images without losing quality. The ultra-wide camera is also expected to gain optical image stabilization, making videos smoother and improving low-light performance. Battery life is another area where Apple could make a significant leap. The iPhone 20 is rumored to use a new silicon anode battery that stores more energy without increasing the phone's size. This could deliver noticeably longer battery life than previous Pro models. Reverse wireless charging is also expected, allowing users to charge AirPods, an Apple Watch, or even another compatible smartphone directly from the back of the iPhone. Performance should also take a major step forward. Apple is expected to introduce a next-generation processor built using advanced 2-nanometer technology, combined with faster memory designed to improve multitasking and AI performance. Everyday apps, gaming, video editing, and on-device artificial intelligence features could all feel faster, smoother, and more efficient than ever before. What makes this iPhone truly exciting is that it isn't just about better specifications. Apple appears to be rethinking how an iPhone should look and function. By removing visible interruptions, reducing moving parts, and combining powerful hardware with a completely refreshed design, the company could create an iPhone that feels genuinely new, rather than simply another yearly refresh. Of course, these features are still based on leaks and early reports, so nothing is officially confirmed until Apple makes an announcement. However, if even most of these rumors become reality, the 20th anniversary iPhone could become one of the most important Apple products ever released. Now, we'd love to hear your opinion. Would you upgrade to an iPhone with a completely seamless glass design? Or do you think durability would become a concern? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Apple news and leaks.